So I just found an AI that works while you sleep. Not a chatbot, not another prompt tool, an actual operating system built for AI agents. These agents click buttons for you, they fill forms, they log into websites, they run entire workflows on autopilot. Content creators are using this to automate their whole social media. It's 2 times faster than other AI tools, and it remembers everything you've ever done. This just dropped and it's changing everything. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of talking to AI and then having to do all the actual work yourself? You ask ChatGPT for something, it gives you an answer, then you copy it, you paste it somewhere else, you open another tab, you lose context, you start over, it's exhausting and it's slow. Well, that just changed because there's a new operating system called Flowith OS. And this thing is different. It's not just another chat interface. It's an actual operating system built from the ground up for AI agents. These agents don't just talk, they execute, they click buttons, they fill out forms, they log into websites, they upload files, they download data, they do real work. Here's what makes this insane. Flowith OS has something called memory architecture. Most AI tools forget everything the moment you close the chat, but Flowith OS remembers. It has short-term memory, mid-term memory, long-term memory, just like a human brain. So your AI agents get smarter over time. They build on what they learned before. They don't start from zero every single time. And the speed is crazy. Independent reviews show it's running about 2 times faster than other AI automation tools. That means workflows that used to take an hour now take 30 minutes. Time is money, and this thing saves you tons of both. Let me show you how this actually works. FlowithOS runs on a visual canvas. Imagine a giant whiteboard where you can place different nodes. Each node is a task. One node might be a research a topic. Another node might be write an article. Another node might be post to social media. You connect these nodes together, and the AI agents run through them automatically. Here's where it gets even better. Multi-agent orchestration. You can have multiple AI agents working together. One agent does research, another agent writes content, another agent edits, another agent publishes. They hand off tasks to each other like a real team, but they never complain. They never take breaks. They never quit, and they work 24/7. Now, let me tell you about the actual capabilities. These AI agents can navigate real websites, they can log into platforms, they can click buttons, they can upload files, they can fill out forms, they can extract data. This is way beyond just generating text. This is actual automation of computer tasks. Imagine you need to gather research from 10 different websites. Normally that could take hours. With Flowith OS, you create a workflow. The agent visits all 10 sites, extracts the information, summarizes it, and delivers a clean report in minutes. The memory system is what really sets this apart, though, because these agents learn, they remember what worked and what didn't, they remember your preferences, they remember your brand voice. Over time, they get better and better at their jobs, just like a human employee would, except they never forget anything. Before we go further, let me tell you about something that's going to help you scale even faster. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where entrepreneurs and business owners come together to learn how to use AI to make more money and save time. When we share workflows, we share automation, we share what's actually working. If you want to take your business to the next level with AI, you need to be in this community. The link is in the description. It's the best place to learn how to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Check it out. All right, back to Flowith OS. Let's talk about who this is really for. If you're someone who just wants to ask AI a quick question, Flowith OS might be overkill. But if you're serious about automation, this is exactly what you need. Content creators and social media managers, if you're creating content across multiple platforms, this is a game changer. You can automate your entire content pipeline, research, writing, editing, publishing, scheduling, all of it. Researchers and analysts, if you're gathering information from multiple sources, this tool is perfect. The agents can visit dozens of sites, pull data, analyze it, and create reports. What used to take days now takes hours. Business owners and entrepreneurs, if you're running processes that are repetitive, this is your answer. Customer onboarding, data entry, report generation, email campaigns, all of this can be automated with Flowith OS. Now let's talk about pricing. Flowith OS offers a free tier. You get 1,000 credits to start. That's enough to test it out and see if it works for your use case. Then they have professional tiers with monthly and yearly options. The exact pricing depends on how many agents you need and how complex your workflows are. But compared to hiring people to do this work manually, it's a fraction of the cost. Keep in mind, this is still in beta. That means some features are still being built. You might run into bugs, things might change, but that also means you're getting in early and the team is actively improving it based on user feedback. Let me break down the pros and cons real quick. Pros: powerful automation that actually works, memory system that learns over time, visual workflows that are easy to understand, reusable templates that save time, multi-agent orchestration for complex tasks, and real browser automation that goes beyond text generation. Cons, there's a learning curve, especially if you're used to simple chat tools. It's in beta, so some features aren't finished yet. And if you're only doing simple tasks, you might not need all this power. But here's my take. If you're serious about using AI to scale your business, this is the future. Chat interfaces are great for simple questions, but real work requires real automation. And that's what Flowith OS delivers. Think about it this way. So right now, you're probably spending hours every week on repetitive tasks that could be automated. Every hour you spend on that stuff is an hour you're not spending on strategy, on growth, on revenue generating activities. Flowith OS gives you those hours back. The memory architecture is what really excites me, though, because this isn't just automation, it's intelligent automation. The agents learn, they improve, they adapt. Over time, your workflows get better without you doing anything. That's compound growth applied to productivity. Here's what I recommend. Start with one workflow, pick something you do regularly. Maybe it's creating social media posts, maybe it's gathering research for articles. Build that workflow in Flowith OS, test it, refine it. Once it's working, you've just automated something that used to take hours, then build another workflow and another. Before you know it, you've automated entire chunks of your business. And because workflows are reusable, you can share them with your team. Everyone can use the same proven processes. That's how you scale without losing quality. I've been in the agency game for years. I built a seven-figure business. And I can tell you the only way to scale is through systems. You can't do everything yourself. You need processes, you need automation, you need leverage. Flowith OS gives you all of that. And the timing is perfect. We're at this inflection point with AI. Everyone's still using chat interfaces, but the next wave is agentic AI, AI that doesn't just respond, but actually executes, AI that works in the background, AI that compounds over time. That's where we're headed. And Flowith OS is leading that charge.